Folks, as you can see, there is a numbers disadvantage at play in this one.
Yeah, I can't say I would ever want to be in a handicap match willingly, but I guess I support them for even putting in the effort.
Lands the elbow.
And that one misses the mark.
Heavy body shot. In the corner he goes, a perfectly placed target. Oh, God. Is it possible that the side with a numbers game in a handicap match could have a disadvantage?
Absolutely. The handicap's usually there for a reason, and that's because the other side has certain advantages. It's important to remember your strengths and play to them.
Reversal by The Undertaker. Oh, he retaliates.
An 10th Street Slam.
Unrelenting attacks from The Undertaker.
The Undertaker cannot be stopped.
Spiked. Sit out. Pile driver.
As much grit as it takes to hit a pile driver, we cannot forget.
Quickly the cover. And he manages to kick out at one.
Not getting a 2 count at this point has to be frustrating.
Uh-oh, hazardous part of town here on the apron.
Nasty. The hardest part of the ring.
A collision like that could mark a turning point for this entire match. Watch out! They're coming towards the announce desk.
What the hell are you doing, Byron? Just defenseless as the momentum is against him.
He's just on the wrong side of every maneuver.
Tossed back into the ring. He thinks he has it. Shoulder up and the referee ends the count. He's still in this. Uh-oh. Oh, saw it coming.
What's The Undertaker got in mind here?
Uh-oh.
Swinging the elbow to halt the offense.
The showstopper. Makes the cover. And he powers out.
And frustration might be starting to set in. A defensive elbow to the gut ends that. Up and around. Uh-oh.
What a power slam. He's able to fend off the attack. Picture perfect takedown.
He's looking a little worried now.
Not sure about panic, but certainly some cause for concern here.
The arm absorbing the damage. Low drop. Boom. Oh. And that prevents Undertaker's attack.
He is truly feeling it right now. As well he should.
Just a barrage of strikes.
Burst of strikes.
Gentlemen, in the interest of self-preservation, I may have to excuse myself. Saxton, you hang tight. Let this play out. Switched it up and hit the DDT.
Up the ropes. The Undertaker with an ominous gaze toward his opponent. Scouted it and fired back with a punch straight to the face. He's testing fate here in danger of a countout. He reverses it. Overhand right lands. You can see it in these superstars' faces. They're in serious pain at the moment.
A lot of punishment has been dished out, but no one is thinking about quitting.
Don't turn out the lights just yet. He's burying elbows in the midsection.
This is the beginning of the end. Here we go. Knockout victory. This one is over.
Here is your winner, The Undertaker.
This was a truly spectacular win.
To quote a pair of awesome scholars, in life, there are winners and there are losers. We are looking at a winner right now.